Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. Now let's explore more flexible ways of importing modules using from, aliases and inspecting modules with dir. Yes, this is the most fun part. Well, let's take a look at from import syntax. So from math, let's import square root, sqrt. Now let's print square root of 25. You only import what you need instead of the whole module. Next, let's take a look at import with aliases. Import math as m. Here we are importing the whole math module as m. Now let's print m.py. This saves typing and makes your code cleaner. Now, one of the really interesting part, listing module contents. Let's import math and let's print dir math. This prints all the functions and variables in the module. It's great for exploration. So to summarize, import loads the module, from import picks specific parts, as gives a nickname, alias, okay, and dir shows what's inside a module. All of these helps you write efficient, readable Python code.